Thank you, Congressman Pimentel. The next to interpolate is Congressman Ernix Junicio. You have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Questions for Colonel Garma. Good evening, Colonel Garma.
Leonardo, boss.
Sorry. Colonel Leonardo, I'm sorry, dito ako nakatingin. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Dati po kayo sa NCRPO, Colonel Leonardo?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Anong taon po yun?
That was 2015 to 2016, Mr. Chair.
Opo. Ano po ang naging trabaho niyo sa NCRPO?
I was assigned the responsibility of as a station commander of Station 10, and after that, Station 2 of Manila, Mr. Chair.
Napunta rin po kayo sa Maynila.
Correct po, Mr. Chair.
Saan po sa Maynila?
Pandacan and Moriones, Mr. Chair.
Yung Pandacan po, anong distrito sa Maynila yon?
I think parang halo po yung District 5 and 4 yata po, Mr. Chair. Kundi po ako nagkakamali.
Yung isa pa po sa Maynila, saan po yun nabanggit nyo?
Moriones po, Mr. Chair.
Saan pong distrito yun?
I think
Sa Tondo po yun, no?
Tondo po,
District 1 po ng lungsod ng Maynila.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Opo. Masasabi niyo po ba sa akin kung ano yung mga naging accomplishments nyo doon sa pagdidestino nyo o sa serbisyo nyo sa Maynila? Yung pinaka-primary accomplishments po ninyo, Colonel Leonardo.
I believe marami po kaming arrested wanted persons and operation against drug personalities na successful, and implementation of search warrants that were also implemented successfully, and filed cases against these personalities, and also contributed a lot in deployment of patrollers in those two areas, Mr. Chair.
So you would say, Colonel Leonardo, that you are proud of your performance when you were assigned and you served in the city of Manila? Proud naman po kayo.
Little bit, Mr. Chair, not actually. Mr. Chair.
Yes, Colonel Leonardo, because ano pong taon ulit yun? 2015 to 16?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Because during that time, we were hearing, medyo sumikat din po kayo noon sa lungsod ng Maynila na very, alam niyo po ba meaning ng ninja cops?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Can you briefly define in your own words to the committee, sa sarili niyo pong definisyon, ano po ba ang ninja cops?
Ninja cops, Mr. Chair, are these are rogues cop involved in illegal activities. They are a small group of batches of PNP non-officers, and they were able to evolve into a more organized crime group than being with the front that they are actually conducting anti-illegal drugs operation, Mr. Chair.
So, if I'm not mistaken, would you agree na yung ninja cops, parang ito rin po yung tinatawag nating narco cops, no? Would you agree, Colonel Leonardo?
Well, ninja cops, it became ninja modus, Mr. Chair. And tama po kayo, they are also considered narco cops, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Colonel Leonardo, meaning these are the cops, no? Once they seized na mga drug items, mga droga, they tend to recycle it and sell it for profit for themselves. Tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, ano po ang, kayo po, sa personal ninyo, ano po ang pakiramdam nyo sa mga ninja cops o mga narco cops? Galit po kayo sa kanila?
Yes, Mr. Chair, because sila po ang isa sa mga enablers. That's why ang drug situation natin noong mga panahon na yon ay lumala at halos walang pamilya na hindi po naapektuhan yung illegal na droga na yan. Since ako taga-Tondo rin, marami po nga akong kamag-anak na damay din dyan. That's why I'm very determined na talaga pong tumulong dyan sa war on drugs na yan, Mr. Chair. Against this ninja cops po. Kasi na-contaminate po nila halos ang buong Pilipinas. Itong modus nila ginaya dahil po pinagkakakitaan instead of really focusing on
Law enforcement, talagang kinarir pa nila yung, kumbaga, halos dinaig pa nila yung drug lord. Double ang tama sa atin, pinasasweldo ng tao, kumikita sa pamahalaan, pinagkakatiwalaan natin, pag nahuli yung mga drug lord, mga pushers, sila naman yung magbebenta sa kalye. Tama po ba, Colonel Leonardo?
Tama po kayo, Mr. Chair.
So it's safe to say na kayo po bilang isang miyembro ng kapulisan ng lungsod ng Maynila, at the time, you were really mad. Talagang galit tayo sa mga narco cops at ninja cops. Tama po?
Mr. Chair, determined to go against these people, very dangerous people. But of course, dahil determinado ako, payag po ako kahit na harapin sila, Mr. Chair.
Is it true that during the time na naroon kayo, nagkaroon po ba kayo ng mga accomplishments para ma-neutralize itong mga narco cops or ninja cops na to?
During my time po kasi ay wala pa po yung intensified campaign against meron na po pero iba po yung program. So nung time na yon, yung iba namamayagpag pa po nung bago po ako umalis ng Tondo, Mr. Chair.
Pero nung nagkaroon na po ng war on drugs, would you say na isa po kayo sa mga tao na talagang who focused on eliminating pagpapahinto ng mga aktibidades ng mga narco cops?
In some ways, Mr. Chair.
So ano po ba ang nangyayari sa mga narco cops? Paano po natin sila napahinto? Dahil we all agree that narco cops are a menace to society. So ano po ba ang ginawa ninyo sa kapasidad ninyo nung nasa lungsod kayo ng Maynila? And at the same time, nung napunta na po kayo on a higher level of service to the Philippine National Police during the war on drugs, paano nyo po napigilan o nahinto yung mga narco cops or so-called ninja cops?
Nung pong nandun ako, we tried our very best to show them how to conduct operation against illegal drugs, which is the
May nahuli po ba kayong mga ninja cops?
nung time na yun, wala po.
Wala po kayo nahuli?
Nung time po na yun, before 2016.
No, nung war on drugs na po, after 2016.
Wala po ako sa posisyon doon na mag-conduct ng tactical operation, Mr. Chair.
Pero sa pagkaalam niyo po, the war on drugs in general, may mga nahuli po at nahinto naman ang mga ninja cops na ito.
Mr. Chair, wala na po akong balita sa mga narco ninja cops, Mr. Chair.
Sige. Colonel Leonardo, yun lamang ang aking katanungan sa inyo because I really wanted to check kung ano po ang ginawa ninyo sa kapasidad ninyo and during the time na war on drugs. I know that these people are a menace to society. I just wanted to know how they were stopped in your capacity and during the war on drugs. So we weren't able to get a definitive answer, Mr. Chair. So that's my line of questioning for now. Thank you, Colonel Leonardo.
Thank you, Congressman Junicio. Just a